Welcome to part 4 of my contribution to the 55-4 USACC group build. Last time, I introduced a cast of players, including this 58 Thunderbird, that will get carved up to share its tail feathers to further unturd that Ford truck. So here's our specimen, a 58 Thunderbird by Revell Monogram, as we've shown. Is this fun bracing that gets cut out. So we're going to use the back of this as the bed of the USACC build. And then we have the rear bumper. And what I kind of want to do is use the bumper pieces and have those as bumpers. And the rest of this is going to be a roll pan, so this is going to have to get separated, and likely be using the favorite Pentaline scriber for that. So the thing that I don't understand is this just does not fit at all. I mean, look at it. It's supposed to go somewhere. And there's like a giant gap there. And I just can't figure that out. It's like it binds up, like right in there. So, I think separate, no, it goes in there somehow. So, yeah, that needs a lot of work. I want that to fit flush. So I guess it's time to start cutting this one up. Ah, that feels better. And that totally looks like a bed. Or it should be a bed. This burn pile. After cutting once and measuring nothing, it seems that the Thunderbird deck lid is a bit too wide for how it needs to align with the truck cab. Some scribing tape was ran down the middle, and that portion will need to be deleted. The next step was trying to figure out exactly where the fenders went, and so that required mocking up the fenders and some not so technical measuring, and kind of came up with this. So we're going to have to, in order to French the fenders in, yep, this is going to have to get deleted. The dilution tool. I love the smell of burning plastic in the evening. Uh-oh. Oh no. I think my battery died. Nope. It's almost. Yep. We're going to have to charge to continue the deletion. Alright, we got a fresh battery. Crank it up. Alright, after the deletion, I've taken the fenders from before and kind of just tacked them in and run some tape to put this back together, and got some gaps to deal with. That's okay. Well, that's what Bondo's made for, right? And this is kind of starting to look kind of bed-like, and it even still does bird things, but we'll fix that too. So let's set this down over there and see what that looks like. So let's bring in our truck back into frame. It kind of is a little cantankerous right now. There it is. And then just this kind of set back on somewhere in the neighborhood of this. Figure it out. It kind of fits. That's a little bit better angle. But this is kind of what we're thinking about, like this. So, as I said, we got the last bit of the orange. And this kind of looks, this is getting in a cool direction. But I'm starting to really rethink this. And so, looking back to what I had in stock, we have this. And something else that goes along with it. And oh, even more bird. So this is kind of looking quite custom. So let's go take a few other photos of it, see what it really looks like. So here's the turd all bandaged up and in the recovery room. Post-op will require lots of Bondo prime sand and repeat 47 times, but that's for another video. And as always, like, comment, subscribe, you know what to do, because I have all kinds of model car stories to tell. Thanks for watching.